Okay, good morning. This is the beginning of the month, and this is what's in the fridge and what I will be eating for the month. So, we went and got butter and these snack things. And got condiments. So anyways, we bought a rotisserie chicken, and we got over there pickles and stuff. And yogurt. We got bacon and eggs. And we got dips and sour cream. And in the back there is some watermelon slices and cantaloupe. We got milk and iced tea. And this is leftover pancakes, leftover meatloaf. This is coleslaw and cottage cheese and a store-bought quiche. And our friends gave us some barbecue, so we had leftover barbecue. And some pineapples, brownies, more potato salad from that barbecue. And I got some onion. And then we got, these were marked down, coconut shrimp and onion. Celery, because I'm going to make that leftover chicken. I'm going to make a chicken salad and lettuce salad. And sandwich meats and cheeses. Man, close this up. In the freezer, we got some French fries, hash browns, bread. We got frozen peas and frozen yogurt, ice cream, Jeff's candy, and then we got frozen meats, chicken, and battered. And I'm gonna make some Jello with peaches in it, frozen peaches. And strips. That should be it. Oh. I'm not going to do the pantry today, but the pantry there, so. Anywho. Good morning. Why am I shaking?